This is the home of my eldest daughter. And her name is Lorelie Baron Sung. Just say hello. That's her. Can you say hello again?
Hello.
You have a beautiful home.
Thank you.
Yes, so nice. Now, let's take a look at the food. Uy, Lorelie. Sushi. My favorite. Sarap yan. Uy, nako. Sashimi pa. Ay, sino hamachi? Merong hamachi? Oh my gulay. Nice hosting by my daughter. Yan. Si John. Back to the food. Oh, wow. Masarap, ha? Okay, so I'm asking my daughter to get food for me. Being a good host. Uy, Lorelie, Christmas na tong bahay mo, ha? Kilala ko to. Pinakamatagal na rito. Arlene, say hello. Ito si Arlene. Gumaganda si Arlene, ha? Hi, my pretty daughter. Look how pretty naman. Lahat anak ko magaganda. Yan na yung star of the show. Dila. Ganda ng ngiti niya. With the mommy and daddy. Ganda ng bahay ni Lorelie, oh. Laki pa ng yung kanyang living room. Wow. 2 tables for the Baron Sung family. My granddaughter, Noel. Where's your sister? Really? Ganda talaga ng granddaughter ko. And that's my beautiful wife, Berna Baron. Ayun na, si Gabby, the famous twins. Nag-kiss na kay Lola Berna. Magkamukha talaga sila. That's Gabby and that's Noel. Uy, salad, ha? What is this? But it looks good and yummy. Wow, daming food ni Lorelie. Gandang presentation, ah. Nice presentation, ah. Yan ang tunay na host. Magaling mag-host talaga ng party, si Lorelie. Uy, marami tayong iinumin tonight, ha? Ayan, no? Laki-laki ni Cole Baron, no?
Ano siya? Gordex.
Uy, ayan na si Dila, no? Small Santa. Uy, napaka-pogi naman ng aking grandson. No, ang dami niyang photographers, oh. Oh, look at that. Oh, kain na. Let's eat na. Uy, uni and sashimi for my dinner. Oh, ito si Manang Linda. Kumusta ka na? Gumaganda. Ayun, si Little Evan. Little Evan, let's eat na. Yes, that's Evan. Cole, mix me a drink, ha. Gawan mo ako ng drink. Kahit anong drink kung gusto mo, pwede na. Basta may alcohol. Sexy naman ni Lorelie. Uy, ayun si Little Santa Claus, oh. Ang sarap ng gin tonic na tinimpla ni Cole para sa akin, no?
Dami ko kinayat cheese.
Ayan, may tuna, salmon, at yung favorite ko, hamachi. At nako, eto pa, uni sashimi. Oy, Christmas na Christmas dito sa bahay ni Lorelie, oh. Oh, the twins with Mama Berna. Look at that. And Cole Baron at the back. And the doggy is with us. Yan, may caviar pa. The famous cake of Claudine. Tito Cole. Tito Cole, look, oh. Picture tayo with with Little Santa Claus. Look at that. How cute.
What is your school?
Oh, si Santa Claus, bakit ayaw kumain ni Santa Claus? Ayan, pa-picture daw si Lola Berna with Santa Claus. Oh, the Little Santa Claus. Yes, maganda na dyan. Oh, Little Santa Claus. Look here. Oh, okay. Okay, smile. Oh, smile. Little Santa Claus. Okay. Ikaw magpapakain kay Santa Claus, Berna?
Hindi.
Papakainin mo si Santa Claus? Oh, that's John, that's Lorelie, Claudine, and also Mark, Berna,
The feeling. I said bye.
Laurelie, and of course,
Nahihilo siya nung Saturday.
It's worried.
Tapos yung all room.
that's David. More food. Wow.
What is
Look at those beautiful twins, huh? They're so pretty.
It's like heaven don't never grab your
Usually,
Oh, look at that. Oh, ayaw, oh. Ayaw magpa-video. Oh, oh the twins with Claudine. Laurelie, kusapin mo. Kusapin mo, Laurelie. Tingnan mo kung marunong siyang mag-smile. Oh, look ah. Look ah. Oh, galing, oh. Ikaw pala gusto niya kausap, Laurelie. Ikaw pala.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ay, gusto kanya kausap, oh.
Yeah.
Ay, mahilig pala sa magaganda yan. Mahilig siya magaganda.